Now, while India is struggling to tackle the enemy across the border, the enemy within has reared its ugly head. Maoist terrorists showing worst form of barbarism, subjecting CRPF jawans to inhuman torture. Is this incident a proof of how Jharkhand government is going soft on the Red Corridor? Would Maoist terrorists have had the guts to do this if the state had not gone soft on them?
Their eyes were gouged out, their tongues slit, some of them beheaded. These CRPF jawans were subjected to this inhuman torture, not by the enemy across the border, but by the enemy within.
They are trying to damage the civilians and intellectuals, because ultimately the post-mortem has to be handled by the doctors, nurses and paramedics.
It is extremely unfortunate that what we are seeing in this country is a set of motivated foreign-funded NGOs creating an enabling environment for terrorism of this sort.
But if that savage torture was not enough, one of the soldiers had an IED planted in his body to cause further devastation.
कितना बड़ा मतलब ये बम था?
अब इसका पॉलिथीन बंधा हुआ था, लिक्विड बम था। भारतवर्ष में ये पहली बार ये इस्तेमाल हुआ इस तरह का डिवाइस जो ह्यूमन बॉडी के अंदर जो है किसी चीज को इम्प्लांट करके इस तरह का जो है युक्ति इस्तेमाल करें।
But it was not just the Jawans who suffered the barbaric torture. The villagers who came to their rescue also lost their lives.
ये तो नए नए तरीका अपनाते रहते हैं, नई स्ट्रेटेजी लगाते रहते हैं। हमने पूरे इंस्ट्रक्शन दे दिए हैं, वो पूरा बंदोबस्त हम कर रहे हैं।
Never stated that anyone should be killed. Every life is precious, whether it be the persons who belong to the state forces or whether they belong to the civil society or other organizations. Having said that, all that we try to say is uphold the rule of law.
This man, Arvind alias Dev Kumar Singh, a member of the Maoist Central Committee, is said to have orchestrated this despicable act.
This mutilation was something I had never heard Maoists do. So one has to see, how come for the first time we are hearing something like this. So that I am slightly surprised that the mutilation took place.
Innocent lives lost. Jawans lose their lives for doing their duty. Would Maoist terrorists have had the guts to do this if the Indian state had not gone soft on them? Bureau Report, Times Now.